Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to install window decals. Need some maximum. I've done it before. I've made some new stickers for mine. Because if you're a subscriber channel, you know that I swapped the doors because all the damages and discoloration in the paint. So the doors that was on this car was in perfect condition. So the stickers that came with the car is now on this one, and the ones that came off for the 2014 didn't came with them. So I'm gonna use some glass cleaner, prep the surface, and then I got these as close as possible to the factory ones. It's gonna be kind of hard to tell. I got it pretty close, if not like 99% exactly the same as the factory. So my daughter's gonna help me hold the camera while I do the installation. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of glass cleaner, and I'm gonna prep the surface. I might as well just wipe the whole main glass. Make sure it's dry. Alright, so I'm gonna try to put it equal to what it was. And I just try to make it level with that. So this side's done. So looks pretty. Alright, same thing for this side. Alright. Once again, I'm gonna try to make it even with this going across. So all I do is kind of line it up, and then just slide it over. So, right there. And voila, that's how it looks. So, like I said, I got it lined up with this going across. So, kind of bucket. Oh, inch. Little caliper. All right, so yeah. So, like this, I got it pretty much lined up going across. But I say it looks pretty much close to the factory ones. I might have made it a little bit brighter. But I took a picture of this and then I just recreated it on my computer and printed it. So, that. And the ones I made. So that's how you install window decals on your 7 Nissan Maxima or any vehicle in that matter. So like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.